everybody. Hi, welcome. So happy you're here because we're going to be talking about some new and loft styles that you're going to want to wear and repeat. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have some furry sidekicks. This is Dexter. The Jack Russell is Willie, and we have Loki, the Westie. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Okay, so the holidays are over, but there's always still the desire to shine, right? And I love this first outfit for its simplicity, but its elevation as well. So, normal pair of denim. However, they've got these fun stud detailing that Loki obviously really likes. What do you want, buddy? Huh? What do you want? Huh? So I think these are super fun, a little bit different. You could wear them every day. You don't have to wait for an occasion, but they'd also be fun for just dinner out, or if you have a girls get together, bring the bling. Bring the bling. I love these. They have a nice cuff style. I am 5'5" for reference. They're hitting me right at the top of my foot, so the perfect length. I have a 28-inch inseam. They are a comfortable denim, a little bit of stretch and give. Put on your favorite belt and you're set to go. I paired it with this really pretty sweater. This one is a little bit of a cropped style, we'll call it, hitting right at the bottom of the waistband of the jeans. I did a quick front tuck. You could leave it out. You could probably do a full tuck if you wanted. Great little V-neck. It has like the eyelash styled ling to it and this fun pattern. So I'm enjoying both of these. I think they're so fun. I love a jean with a little extra, right? And then if you want to have some more fun, top it off with a fur jacket in something a little bit different. This really, really pretty blue instead of black or brown. This blue is so fun. This is going to look just as good with a t-shirt and jeans as it does with a pattern top. Check out this really pretty blue. It's so pretty. It's just this nice cozy. I love it. It does have hook and eye closure here. I think there are two of them. Yep, here's the second one. So cute. So let's talk pricing for these. So for this sweater, I am wearing an extra small regular. I got it for $22.19 on sale. Amazing, right? $22.19 for this. For the jacket, the color is called Deep Blue Hazel. I'm also wearing an extra small regular. The arms are probably a little bit long. I didn't think I saw a petite version in this one, so I got the regular. I still think it works. I got it for $88.78 on sale. And then for this fun denim, I'm wearing a 26, which is my normal size. I got them for $42.08. Let's keep going. Next up, I've talked to you about in my outfit of the days, the amazing long sleeve tees from the Loft. This is that tee I wear all the time. They get them year over year. They add new colors, but they always have the basics like black, cream, and gray. I love this color and this little ocean blue. How fun is this one? They're not too clingy. Perfect for underneath your favorite jackets. So I would love to wear this to work with a tan blazer, like the whole outfit. I put on a fun belt. This leopard belt also came from Loft a little bit ago, but a great way to wear that. Like I said, they come in so many colors. I grabbed this one because it was different. I grabbed a brown because I have some brown items that I'm looking forward to wearing this with. And then I also grabbed the cream because you cannot have enough cream. You also cannot have enough black. So grab them while they are still available in your size. I highly recommend them for those basics to wear underneath all of your favorite jackets. So this one, the color is called Pacific Sea. I have on an extra small regular. I got it for $19.95, and that is the same price I paid for the Whisper White as well as the roasted walnut, so the cream and the brown, $19.95. So for another fun elevated look, I kept my jeans on, but swapped out the top, swapped out my shoes, swapped out my belt. This would be a great date night outfit. This mesh top is very similar to a sanctuary top that I got in Armoire. I would recommend probably going strapless. I think that would be the best way to truly get the sexy vibe that this cute little mesh top is giving. So solid through the body, right? And then mesh through the sleeves and at the top. Another way you could wear it is what I just did, which is like a black bralette underneath. And if you want it to be a little bit more demure, that's another way to go. Otherwise, I would just put on a, like I said, strapless bra and go with it. I think the mesh is super pretty. And here's what it looks like with the strapless bra. I don't think it looks too risque. I think it's really pretty. Watch out, buddy, huh? I really like this. So this one is called the Super Soft and Stretchy Mesh Yoke Long and Sleeves Top. And I'm wearing an extra small regular. I got on sale for $22.93. $22.93. So good. Loft always has the most amazing sales. Always, always, always wait for a sale. Never pay full price because there's always a sale. They tend to be closer to the weekends and holidays, so just keep that in mind. Final outfit for this haul. I love this. So this is that I don't want to go out, or I want to go out comfy, or travel outfit, or even work from home outfit. It's so awesome. I love them. I love a matching set as well. So this is a fun pant with the seaming detail going down the front, the side pockets. It is by Lou & Grey. It is just the right length for me. I do tend to look at the length because I don't like it when it's a comfy pant, but it's so long that I'm tripping as I'm running up and down the stairs. That has happened to me, and it is really bad. So you don't want to do that. So I tend to always look at the length and make sure that it's something that I can wear. I think this one was 28.5. I'd have to look. I tend to stick with 30 inches or less. I have a 28-inch inseam, so I'm thinking it was 28. Love these for the comfort. I also wasn't sure about sizing with this one because it's a nice heavier weight, so not flimsy. And I bought both the extra small and the small. The extra small fits perfectly. Has the drawstring waist, the cute little matching sweatshirt, has all the squared off bottom, has the whole Apres vibes going on here. I love the color with a little bit of blue. This would look really pretty with a jean jacket over top of it. That blue would really stand out. You could probably even add the fur if you wanted to. Put on your favorite shoes, or just grab a blanket and snuggle up by the fireplace, right? I love this. It's so cute. All right, so for these pieces, the sweatshirt, I'm wearing an extra small regular, $30.59. And for the pants, it says a heavier weight lounge relaxation bottom. I got for $34.40. Not bad. The Lou & Grey doesn't go on sale as much as the Loft stuff it does, so when you see it on sale, grab it. And that's all my pieces today. Of course, I picked these out, so I'm going to love them. I loved everything from dressy to casual here. This fur coat, I think you could wear with anything. It's adorable, but I want to hear what you think, so please do comment down below and let me know your favorite. As always, I will list all these items down below. I'll put links so you can easily check them out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.